Well, let's take a home tour. Real quick, we have moved from a home just over 5,000 square feet, so we are busting at the seams in this house, which is just over 2,000 if you include the basement. And spoiler alert, our stuff has arrived 5 days ago, so the house is still a hot mess. You're gonna see boxes everywhere, you're gonna see unfinished spaces. This isn't like a finished tour by any means. But regardless, this is where we're starting at, and without further ado, come take a tour with me. While we are super eager to add on an addition and redo the roof, this is where we're starting out, so come on in with me. This is the foyer. I have, big plans like I do with everything. That is a closet that is also being used as a pantry. In here you will see our kitchen. While the cabinets look wonderful on the outside, they are homemade on the inside. And living room and dining room and family room. Come down the hallway, walk into this will be my office. Thank heavens it has a closet because it is a rather small room. Next up is my daughter's room. Real quick, the linen closet, followed by my daughter's room, which is rather small. We have already painted it, but big plans for her. Once again, we're planning on adding an addition, so we're in that how much, a little awkward space. How much do we renovate? This is a builder grade bathroom, but good enough for now. Come on into the master bedroom. That does fit a king size bed with a nice walkout. And at least we do have double sinks. Right now, the shower is barely working. And this entire room is our closet. Good thing we don't have tons of clothes, so it'll have to do. Back down the hallway, and why don't you head outside with me? This is the reason why we purchased the home, so the whole goal is to stay outside as frequently as possible. I promise you, this view does not get old. Down here, we do have some interesting things such as a hot tub and some stuff to go. Okay, back inside, I'm going to give you a quick glimpse into the garage. The garage is actually rather big. This house was built for a man. There is a lot of man space in this house. With that being said, come on downstairs to the basement. I'm thinking we're going to put our Christmas village on that little shelf. I wish there was a way that we could cover this in hardwood. This area will be for the workout gear, washer and dryer down here. Ryan has already done a lot of work, and I will share that shortly regarding painting and rewiring. Thank God he's handy. Down here is my son's room. It's actually the biggest room in the house, but it's in the basement, so you give some, you lose some. But he likes it so far. And then the other room down here, I don't think it's technically a bedroom because there's no closet, but this will be Ryan's office / guest room with a nice outside entry. There is a large closet down here that we are putting all our extra kitchen stuff in. Another basic bathroom, so it's nice to have one down there. And if you come out here, you have another exit to outside. There's a lot of doors to outside. I just realized that. And there is another workshop area. Like I said, this house is meant for Ryan. He's gonna love this entire space.